You said I lied. You screamed, I cried. You pack your things, you wanna leave. You get the car keys and head for the door. Now I'm down on my knees, I'm begging you, please don't go. Don't go. Don't give up on us now, we can work it out. Don't go. Don't go. Maybe I'm wrong and you're right. I said I'm sorry. No, I don't wanna fight. Just calm down and hold me close and dry the tears in my eyes. Now I'm down on my knees, I'm begging you, please don't go. Don't go. Don't give up on us now, we can work it out. Don't go. Don't go. Why can't we kiss and make up? I don't want to ever break up. Why can't we give and forget and stay together? Now I'm down on my knees and begging you, please don't go. Don't give up on us now, we can work it out. Don't go. Don't go. I'm down on my knees, I'm begging you, please don't go. Don't go. Don't go. I'm down on my knees. We can work it out. I'm begging you, please. I'm begging you, please. Don't go. Don't go.
So, ito na. Para malaman natin kung
May
ano ba
ganun
mga maaaring mangyari, matutuloy ba ang mga planong ito ni Regine?
Natatense ako sa ganito.
Natetense ka? Tatanungin natin ngayon si Miss Judy Lu at si Miss Malu. Ano ba ang nag-aabang para kay Miss Regine ngayong
Huwag yung pangit,
2007?
Huwag yung pangit.
Umpisahan natin sa career.
Career.
Okay. The first half, I mean, before sa birthday mo, Regine, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung effect nung last year mo na may travel, parang to settle an account, you have to travel. But right after your birthday, your number will change into an 8. Alam mo naman yung 8 is a money vibration. And maraming money position, saka yung number na yon 35-8, inheritance. Yung inheritance could be money talaga or parang mga ginagawa mo na dati. So this is really a continuation of all the things that you've done. So 8 is a very good number for you.
Okay.
Kaya lang, you have to be careful or mamaya
Ayoko
na
nang
lang.
may kaya lang. Ano po?
You have to be careful with your health kasi ang
okay.
8 is very tense number. So kailangan mo lang hinay-hinay lang and medyo on the middle pa.
At saka, mag-vitamins ka na.
Ayun.
Vitamins.
Katakot-takot na vitamins.
That's
Miss
right.
Malu.
But you have to persist.
Yun. Thank you very
Miss
much.
Malu, ayan. Isama mo na rin, Miss Malu, pati personal, pero sige, career muna tayo.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Si Regine is a Taurian, no? Ang Taurus kasi, by nature, talagang nag-a-attract ng good luck yan eh. Para bang type sila ng good luck.
Type ako ng good luck.
Oo. Tapos ang moon niya is in Cancer. That makes her very intuitive. She's highly emotional and she puts it into her career. Kaya ingat ka, always feel good about yourself. Para nang sa ganun, tumuloy-tuloy yung iyong rising star. You are a beauty and brains combination eh. and you're a very attractive woman. So, make sure that you know what you want para ma-attract mo kung anong gusto mo.
Ayun, yun ang
And
maganda.
congratulations.
Thank you very much.
I think you're gonna go Europe this year. Are you going Europe this year?
Europe daw this year. May kami
yeah,
mga plano.
meron
Malamang.
ako.
Oh.
Congratulations.
Ay, ang galing! Galing mo ano pa?
Tapos na tayo sa career, sa personal life. Meron pa po ba, Miss Malu?
Meron pa kayong gusto
madadagdag?
ikwento?
Siyempre, love life dapat.
Siyempre yung love life. Tama ka doon.
Continue with the love life.
Sa Europe, you might meet somebody you will like.
Ay, ganon.
Sa Europe, Sa Europe.
Okay. Sa Europe? European ba siya?
Ano lang naman sabi,
not
you will like.
necessarily.
You will like.
You will like.
You will
Not
like.
necessarily.
Baka naman natutuwa ka lang sa
Ay,
kanya.
not necessarily.
May mahal na siya eh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, so sino ngayon yung European na yan?
Malalaman niya
Panggulo.
when she gets there.
Oh, ito si Miss Judy Lu.
Okay, they were also asking us kung ano daw yung swerte mo mga na crystals. Emerald, siguro alam mo na yun kasi emerald is the parang equation of the Venus quality that you have. Kasi ang mga Taurian is may Venus na planet. So, emerald is a very, very beautiful stone. So,
Yan ang
yun
birthstone ko, Emerald.
Emerald.
Yun ang kailangan meron ka.
Okay. My birthstone is diamond though.
Oo, ang
April.
diamond. Oh. May mga lucky color for this year. May mga ganun ba, Miss Judy?
Yellow and blue.
Ayan na,
Ah,
mag-yellow.
yellow is my favorite color.
Kahit ma-tempt ka sa red, wag muna.
Ay, ganon.
Yellow and blue na lang.
Yellow and blue.
Yellow and blue.
Kasi yun yung
Oo, alisin mo na
Venusian.
itong rag na ito.
Parang Venusian colors yan. Yung yellow, yung yellow at saka blue. Not the red one.
Okay.
Okay, thank
Ayan,
you. Thank you, Miss Judy Lu and Miss Malu.
Thank
So,
you
ano
very
na
much.
masasabi mo sa iyong ano?
Happy naman ako. At least wala namang anything bad. Thank you very much.
Ayan,
Siyempre,
hindi
may
ka
mga
namang-
flowers.
At least hindi red ang flowers
Thank
mo.
you. Salamat
Oh, ayan.
Salamat. Diyan ko muna ilagay. Ayan. Maraming salamat. Maganda yung mga vibrations nila sa akin. Naiintriga lang ako sa European.
European.
Sa
Kwentuhan mo
na yan.
kami pagbalik
Oo,
mo.
pagbalik ko. Anyway, gusto ko kayong imbitahin. Well, kung kaya niyong pumunta ng pagkalayo-layo, watch Eugene Velasquez live in Rain or Shine, January 6 at Zirco Angeles, Pampanga. Itong Saturday na po yan. January 13 at Zirco Timog, January 20 at Zirco Green Hills, January 26 at Zirco Angeles again, and January 27 at Clowns, Quezon Avenue. For inquiries, please call Aria Productions at 926-7868. I'm doing a movie kasi right now and I just wanna sing. That's why I'm doing a tour of clowns.
Oo, ang dami. Ang dami
tour
mo.
ito.
Oh, so gusto ko talagang kumanta. Sana po makapunta kayo. It's an acoustic night.
Ayan.
Acoustic lang siya. Gitara, tapos box na yung box. O yung
Ay,
boombox.
ganun lang.
Ganun lang siya. Simple lang. So,
Kulang, relax
sana
lang.
po makapunta kayo.
Marami yun. Marami silang pagpipilian ng mga dates.
All the Saturdays, I think, of this month. Kasi nga mag-shooting ako para meron akong kakanta.
Oo, kumakanta ka pa rin.
Oo, kasi
At the
I
same time,
miss it. I
nag-shoot.
really miss it
Oo.
very much. Usually
Araw-araw
when
ka
I...
ba naman kumenta, tapos biglang wala?
Oo, usually when I do movies, hindi nagsastop talaga akong kumanta. SOP lang. So, but I want to do a show talaga. That's why
So,
I'd like to say
January.
yes, the whole month of January. I'd like to say thank you to Lito and to Alan Kay for for giving me this chance to do this show for them. So thank you very, very much.
Up next, mga sis, ang mga boys ng Captain Barbell naman. Wow! Ulan! Kaya tutok lang dito pa rin sa...